for the right power, for the right torque, and no more stripped screws. Choose the Smart Select Lithium Screwdriver. Choose your project icon using the exclusive Smart Select dial. Load the retractable screw holder and get great results. The exclusive retractable screw holder with magnetic tip prevents you from dropping screws. Grab and go anytime with a lithium-ion battery that stays charged and ready for up to 18 months. The included wall-mountable charging cradle provides convenient storage for bits. And the built-in LED light provides improved visibility when working in dimly lit areas. The right power for the job in the palm of your hand. The Smart Select Lithium Screwdriver from Black & Decker. From the Black & Decker Smart Select family of tools. Smarter tools, better results.
The Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion compact bandsaw. Most compact in class. Heavy-duty aluminum base. 2.5-inch cutting capacity. Quick and easy blade change. New Bosch Coolpack batteries are designed to reduce heat buildup. These high-efficient battery packs stay cooler and live longer, featuring an integrated fuel gauge and superior cold weather performance. Slim pack for lightweight, or fat pack for maximum runtime. Every battery works with every tool. Power to get it done. Tough as nails. Never lets you down. The Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion compact bandsaw. Bosch. Invented for life.
Introducing the G-Max 40-volt 12-inch cordless chainsaw from Greenworks Tools. Featuring a high-quality 12-inch bar and chain, this battery-powered chainsaw is perfect for cutting branches and limbs around the house. Quickly and easily adjust the chain tension without needing any tools, thanks to the built-in knob enabling you to immediately get back to the task at hand. The automatic oiler keeps the bar and chain lubricated and ensures the durability and life of the chain. Easily monitor the oil level thanks to the translucent oil tank. Comfortably and easily clear debris and cut at multiple angles thanks to the convenient wraparound handle. The reduced kickback chain provides more safety in handling the tool while cutting. The G-Max 40-volt 12-inch cordless chainsaw from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver when and where it counts. Greenworks Tools. Life gets easier.
When it comes to installing new PEX tubing or replacing old plumbing lines, you need the new OnePlus PEX Pinch Clamp Tool, the industry's first battery-powered pinch clamp tool. The OnePlus Pinch Clamp Tool not only makes installing PEX fittings virtually effortless, it also features an indication light affirming that the clamp ring has been properly installed. It fits all pinch clamp sizes from 3/8 inch, ½ inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. Get up to 400 clamps on a single battery and work more efficiently with dual LED lights and belt clip. The PEX Pinch Clamp Tool is part of the world's largest platform of over 100 tools, all powered by the same OnePlus batteries. Exclusively at the Home Depot. Ryobi. Pro features, affordable prices.